In this video, you will learn 50 railway related words meaning in Hindi and English. So let's start a video. First word is child fair. Child fair. Cancelled. Cancelled. Postman. Postman. Buffer car. Buffer car. Coke railway. Coke railway. Bullet train. Bullet train. Crowded. Crowded. Double decker. Double decker. Dining car. Dining car. Passenger train. Passenger train. Electric train. Electric train. Entrance. Entrance. Exit. Exit. Guard. Guard. Fare adjustment. Fare adjustment. Heritage train. Heritage train. Freight train. Freight train. Last train. Last train. Last stop. Last stop. Locomotive train. Locomotive train. Local train. Local train. Platform ticket. Platform ticket. Handicap ticket. Handicap ticket. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Railway iCard. Railway iCard. Family rail card. Family rail card. One-way train. One-way train. One-way ticket. One-way ticket. On time. On time. Long distance train. Long distance train. Intercity train. Intercity train. Light rail. Light rail. Railway crossing. Railway crossing. Mine train. Mine train. Luxury train. Luxury train. Information office. Information office. Lost property office. Lost property office. Luggage lockers. Luggage lockers. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.